Hello fam, are you looking forward to own your own car, or you have been looking for a car on the internet, or you want to order a car and it has been a burden? The time is here for you to own your car without stress. GY Trading Company is here to help you get your dream car right to your doorstep. Relax and take a look at some of their cars, and when you are done, I'll give you their contacts. +81 9056477409. Contact them now and your car will be at your doorstep.
I made a couple of videos about how to test primary ignition coil, and this is 4-pin primary ignition coil. So today we are going to test it. Why am I saying we are going to test it? This coil is faulty. The recent videos I did, I show you how to test ignition coils which are good, and this particular coil is faulty. So we are going to test it and see which side of primary pins is faulty, or where is the problem coming from. Some coils been leaking at the fire. Sometimes when you check it, there is a leakage here. Sometimes it is a break in the resistance inside, and sometimes the problem will show you. So these 4 pins will determine how we are going to test it. And first of all, to do that, you have to turn your multimeter to the on position, which is 200K, which is very important, and I am going to do that with you. So we are going to test it together. Let's do something here. This wire indicates a massive wire supply, which is positive. This pin here indicates negative wire supply, and then this one also indicates massive wire supply, and the last one indicates what? Negative lesser supply, which is COM and what ohms. So we are going to insert it here. I intentionally did this. We are going to insert this here. This is what we are doing. We are going to insert it here because I want to test the ohms. You can see as I plug the socket, for these 2 pins, there is no reading on the multimeter. There is no reading, but there should be a reading. You can see as soon as I insert to the other side. So you can see as soon as I insert to the other side, there is a reading. But the reading is not what we want. 0.3, that means there is no continuity. Before we tested here and give us nothing, that means one side of this coil has broke. One side of this coil has broke. There is no continuity at all, and even this side too doesn't have continuity. Though it's giving us reading, it doesn't have continuity. That means this coil is completely faulty, and you cannot use it to fix on engine at all. So this is how to determine whether the coil is good or not. So we have resistance here, but there is no continuity. That means this side is not condemned at all, but there is no continuity. There is no reading. There is no reading here. There is no reading here, and even this side too is also condemned. Yes, this side is also condemned. You can see no reading at all. So if you bring it here, the ohms will read. Once you bring it here, you can see this is it.